bana ga ga hati tima hacha esilongo ba khulune barire hapa sitingo bakholanga barire bakalonga ita kwa bona mwana mkeke inoka hapa sitingo. Na mimi nataka kuambia wamama wa Western, sisi ni mama ya Sifuna. Yes. We are Sifuna's mother and we must support our own. Omundu akakube yakota. I remember the year 2002. Maybe wengine wenyu mko kwa siasa. Musalia Mudavadi was to run as a president. Na akadanganya ila alichaguliwa akakuwa deputy president for kama parliament imefungwa. Kakamega iliwaka moto. I'm telling you, people died. Not because of the police, the community. They turned against Musalia. The truth of the matter. In fact, alibebewa kwa buti ya gari ya makaa to hide him from the state house when they came to declare ati yeye sasa atasupport Uhuru. And it is with the same zeal Kenyans are supporting our own son. Esese manywendi Western bandu bakali khulaka kimyo kyakaini. If you have $1 billion, support our son. Nolinengo ho, support him. Nolina kimyoko support omwana wewe. Amen. Akokone nebale bebase. I'm appealing to all mothers and all fathers and all brothers and sisters to Sifuna. Let's come together. Kenya is ours. Asanteni sana.